How to share Etsy listing on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can share your Etsy listing on Pinterest. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you actually have to have a Pinterest account, and then if you have a store on Etsy, you have created a listing, we can actually share that on our Pinterest. So we're gonna get to our Pinterest right here, pinterest.com. Then you're gonna go to your account actually. So I'm gonna open up my profile. So in your account, you're gonna click on settings. In your settings, you will find your public profile settings. Then we have personal information, account management, and more. So what you need to do is you're gonna go to claimed accounts. This is where you want to go. In claimed account, you will get the option of connecting your website to your Pinterest. Click on claim, and now we can add HTML tag, upload HTML file, or add TXT record. So here what we can do is we can actually add our listing link to our claim setting here. You can actually add this one, click to copy, and then we can add this one to our store. Like here, click on continue, and this is where you will add the URL and a click button. So you will get to your Etsy, open up your listing, copy the link for your listing here. For instance, if I take you to my shop manager here, and we will just copy the link from here, paste the URL, and that listing will be added to Pinterest. This is how we connect our Etsy shop to our Pinterest. There was actually an option of connecting Etsy directly to Pinterest, but then Pinterest and Etsy, broke off the integration or something like that. So we're not getting the option, but we can still connect it as a website, and we will be able to add our listing of Etsy to Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.